In today's video, we'll be exploring the top 5 best Lifepo4 battery available on the market. We've done the hard work for you by researching extensively and going through numerous real user reviews to create this list. If you want more details or the latest pricing on any of the Lifepo4 battery mentioned, make sure to check the links in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest reviews and recommendations. Now, let's dive in. Number 5, ALLPOWERS R1500 Solar Power Station. The ALLPOWERS R1500 is a reliable solar power station with a UPS function and a 15 millisecond switching time, ensuring uninterrupted power. Its whisper-quiet charging mode operates at under 43 dB, making it ideal for indoor use. The fast 650W solar charging completes in just 1.5 hours. With a 6-year warranty and excellent customer service, it's a great choice for backup power. Perfect for outdoor adventures, home backup, and off-grid living. Number 4, 24V300 Lifepo4 Battery with Bluetooth BMS. This 24V300 Lifepo4 battery is perfect for RVs, boats, and solar systems, offering Bluetooth BMS for remote monitoring. It features low-temperature protection, ensuring reliable performance in extreme weather. With a max discharge current of 200 A, it supports high-power applications. The IPX5 waterproof rating makes it ideal for outdoor environments. Durable and efficient, this battery enhances renewable energy solutions, providing long-lasting power for various off-grid needs. Number 3, 320 Lifepo4 Battery for Solar RV Systems. Designed for solar and RV energy systems, this 320 Lifepo4 battery offers 8,000 cycles for extended life. Its duty-free purchase option makes it more accessible. Easy to install with a screw and copper sheet setup, it ensures a hassle-free experience. The 3.2V 320Ah capacity delivers reliable power for off-grid applications. Whether used in solar panels or RVs, it provides stable energy for long-term performance, making it a valuable addition to any system. Number 2, LiitoKala 12.8V Lifepo4 Battery. The LiitoKala 12.8V Lifepo4 battery is a high-capacity solution for solar and wind power systems. With over 4,000 cycles, it ensures longevity and durability. Its high current positive/negative connection column allows for easy installation. With a maximum capacity of 310 Ah, it delivers reliable energy storage. Ideal for off-grid, backup, and renewable energy setups, this battery is a cost-effective choice for those looking to enhance their sustainable energy solutions. Number 1, VTOMAN FlashSpeed 1500 Portable Power Station. The VTOMAN FlashSpeed 1500 is a versatile power station ideal for camping, RVs, and home backup. With a 1548 Wh Lifepo4 battery and 3000 cycles, it ensures long-term reliability. Its 3000 W peak power supports high-demand appliances, while compatibility with VTOMAN solar panels makes eco-friendly charging easy. The built-in 10W LED flashlight offers 5 modes for emergency lighting. Whether for outdoor adventures or emergency home use, this power station delivers dependable energy storage and backup power.